Let's talk about Quess Corp, which has reported a robust set of numbers for the March quarter with a 128% rise in its bottom line number. What contributed to this healthy quarter and what does the road ahead look like for the company? Let's ask the group CEO, Subrata Kumar, who joins us on the phone line, and also Agam Vakil to take this conversation forward. Agam, over to you.
Thanks, Navneet. Mr. Kumar, good afternoon. Let me start off by suggesting that given the fact that we've seen such good growth in this particular financial year with the bottom line also moving up quite substantially, can we expect these numbers to repeat in FY19 considering we are already working on such a high base?
As usual, Quess has delivered a very strong quarterly as well as annual results. Our revenue grew up on a year-to-year basis 43%, EBITDA 49%, PAT 154%, and EPS 128%. In the quarter also, we did a very good show if you compare to previous year's quarter or also as well as the sequential quarter. The primary reason for the growth is basically our strong operational excellence and the acquisitions also what we did last year proved very well for us, and that has also contributed a lot into our overall growth.
So your largest segment, that is Peoples and Services segment, has grown substantially, but there has been inconsistency when it comes to the margins for this one. What is your outlook with respect to growth as well as profitability when it comes to this segment?
People and Services business, that is the original business we started, and I'm glad to inform you that we are the largest staffing company in India. We have 150,000 plus people. We have been growing stronger and adding. Last year we added 43,000 people in our People and Services business. Our net realization per employee has been going up, and that has been showing into the overall profit margin. Profit margin in People and Services business, every quarter we are increasing a little bit, and I think in the coming years with the new technology and our operational efficiency, I am expecting that trend will continue, and our margin, as you know, almost 44% of our revenue comes from the People and Services business. So we are conscious of that, and we have been trying hard to increase the margin in the People and Services business over the last couple of quarters. I think the results have been showing now, and I'm very confident that in the coming quarters and years also this trend will continue.
So also when it comes to Global Technology Solutions business, what trends are you tracking now? Because this is one segment where we've seen the most amount of growth for this entire financial year. What is it that is going to help sustain this growth coming in financial year 19?
In the Global Technology Solutions statement, what we have been doing actually, we're expanding our service offerings. We started with IT staffing space, but as you see today, after the acquisition of the Connect Business Solutions from Tata Sons, we are very strong in the CLM business, and also our overseas acquisitions, what we did couple of years back, MFX, Brainhunter, and Comptel, all are doing well, particularly Brainhunter, which was a loss-making unit, has turned positive, contributed positively last year. So all these things are helping us in increasing our GTS business on an overall basis.
So in this financial year gone by, we've seen a lot of acquisitions from Quess Corp, but they range from landscaping to Monster to a lot of other different platforms. We just want to get a better understanding of how you're going about your acquisitions and whether or not there is a strategy in place when it comes to taking over some of these smaller companies.
See, our underlying theme of Quess is to become a business service platform, and we would like to become a one-stop shop for everybody's non-core activities of their business. We'd like to make those things our core business. Landscaping is a perfect fit for our facility management business. We are a strong and large facility management business, so landscaping in India with the urbanization and more conscious of the environmental, I think the green for the landscaping will have a positive, very bright future. And so this will help us in increasing our services in the FMS business. Customer lifecycle management, we are very strong into the sales, helping the companies in selling their products. But we would like to cover the entire product cycle of a company. So that's why we entered into the customer lifecycle management by acquisition of Tata Business Solutions, and then from the break fix business from the HCL Care. So now we can cater the entire product cycle of any product of any company. And Monster, is an online space, our first internet acquisition. We would like to get in, and this is the new vertical. We know all along we had 4 verticals. This is the 5th vertical we started, internet business. Monster has a very checkered history, and we are very confident that we will be able to turn it around, and it can be a large and business for Quess in coming years.